Right, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to this very quick Pepe update. And Pepe is looking quite good, and I've actually given this as a freebie in my Discord as well. So basically some few members are going to maybe enjoy the trade in the future, because I do believe that Pepe may actually give us an 8% in the next coming few days. I do believe that we may be looking at Pepe to move to the upside to this technical target right over there. So I just want to show you this message. Right, and here we go. So we have Pepe freebie. We are getting it at 6713, stopping at 6500, and we are about to sell at 7215. Now a lot of people actually wonder why am I trading this, but the reason why I'm trading this one is because I'm actually giving it for free, is because I just want to give back. Sometimes it's always good to give back to the community. So here we go, and I want to show you some very detailed analysis on the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour. So we have a trend line going on here on the 1 hour time frame. So today, nothing fancy, just very simple analysis. So you do have one touch here, a move to the upside, one touch there, a move to the upside as well. And you can already see that this is where we started actually having our bid. So if I do zoom in there, this is a very good sign, because you have a spinning top, which is a reversal candle right next to your support level. So you can expect from here you start to push to the upside. Now always keep your stop loss a little bit lower. So my stop loss goes on all the way down to here, okay, 6518. Now it's possible that you may take a wick here and then move up. So the stop loss being here is not really very good, but better stop loss is right over there, because it's pretty simple. You see, this trend line, in my opinion, if you do end up coming down and go up like this and come down and take that stop loss here, that means you've broken the trend line very badly, and the possibility is more to the downside than to the upside. Right now, things are looking positive. Things are holding, okay? As long as they're holding, and I always say this, as long as something is holding support, always support the coin. Don't let the coin go. So if you're looking at Pepe that is holding the support at the moment, that makes a lot of sense. And as for now, we are about to close the 4 hour time frame. So let's check the 4 hour time frame very, very quickly. And it's also very good on the 4 hour time frame. If you look, you have 16 more minutes to close the 4 hour time frame candle. And this is also almost an inverted hammer that you have. So pretty good, okay? Pretty good. That's all I can say. A touch here, move up, a touch there, move up, a spinning top here, and you may look at a move to the upside. Now, one more thing is, back to the 1 hour time frame, you have a resistance and you have a time. So we do have 17 October 16. So we're talking about 5 more hours from now, 5 hours from this time of recording the video. You have a squeeze coming from the top here and the bottom here, and there's a junction. The end comes by the decision comes after 5 hours. My take is that we are looking for a push up here, and we may start to move up. Okay, this is my take, and that's the reason why I'm taking the trade. We haven't really popped up yet, but the reason why I took the trade a little bit early is because sometime you may just push up like this and never do something like break down and retest and go up. So it's just better to do analysis and see which side is more favorable. In my opinion, Pepe is really, really down, and Bitcoin also looks good. It's Tuesday, by the way, not even weekend. So it's more inclined to move to the upside more than to move to the downside. So the stop here is almost 3 to 4% of a risk, and I think 3-4% risk is just pretty good if you do your money management right as well. And then from there, this is a whole pattern, okay? You broke above here, you break up, you came down for the retest, and you're looking for a move to the upside. Another thing is on the 4 hour time frame as well. You can see that the EMAs right over there, you do have this EMAs crossover. So right now you almost are about to make a bull cross on the 4 hour time frame, and this just looks very, very good. You got the resistance right there. Just going to remove the EMAs again. So this was a resistance here, resistance there, a push to the upside, a retest right there. So it makes sense to move to the upside. So yeah, it's a trade that anyone should be trying logically through TEA. So that's it for this Pepe update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.